So the easiest way I found to put these in your ears is to actually simply insert it, no matter which way, in your ear like this, and then you need to twist it, okay, this way to lock it in place. So this is counterclockwise. And now even if I'm trying to remove it lightly like this, it will not fall off. Well, now it did because I did it multiple times, but usually once I turn them counterclockwise, at least on the left side ear, yeah, they stay quite well in my ears. Once you're done and you want to remove them, turn them clockwise and they simply pop by themselves. So again, like that, and then counterclockwise. The Beats logo that you see over here should be straight, sitting straight. So if you put them like this, well, this is not straight. Once you turn them, it is, and you're good to go. If you found that even after doing this, it's not staying in your ears the way that you like, try changing the ear tip. They come with the medium one pre-installed, but in the box you have extra small, small, and also large. Once you put them in your ear, to start listening to your music, simply tap once the button that is located right over here beside the Beats logo. Tap another time to pause the music. If you want to skip to the next song, you need to double tap that button really quickly, like that, and it will go to the second song. If you want to go backwards to the previous song, you need to triple tap that button quickly. 1, 2, 3. Do not take pauses when you tap. Do not do this because this is not fast enough. You need absolutely to do it 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2 depending. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below if you have other tricks, and I'll see you in the next video.